Today I'll be sharing two of my favorite effortless products you can use to keep your showers and tubs clean. These products work so well that there's very little effort needed on your part. Now let's look at each product and how I use them. I'm not sponsored or being compensated for this review, just sharing my unbiased experience. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. The products I use weekly are Wet It and Forget It shower spray and Zep mold and mildew stain eraser. These are my cleaning shortcuts. I'm going to review these two effortless cleaning products today. Now let's look at what the product instructions say on using each product. How to use the Wet It and Forget It shower spray. For the initial application, you will shake the Wet and Forget It shower spray bottle well. Apply the spray all over the shower surfaces, including the glass doors, walls, tubs, tiles, and fixtures. Make sure to cover the entire area with a light mist. There is no need to scrub or rinse after spraying. You'll apply the spray once a week. Choose a day that works best for your schedule. Spray the entire shower area with a light mist covering all the surfaces. Again, there is no need to scrub or rinse. For best results, apply the spray after your last shower of the day to allow the product to work overnight. The product will prevent the buildup of soap scum, mold, and mildew over time. Consistent weekly use will keep your shower clean and reduce the need for heavy scrubbing. Here's some tips for best results. Ventilation. Ensure the bathroom is well ventilated during and after application to help the product dry effectively. Avoid overspraying. A light mist is sufficient. Overspraying can lead to excess product usage without any added benefits. And obviously, keep out of reach of children and pets. As with any cleaning product, ensure that it is stored safely. Using the Wet It and Forget It shower spray regularly can significantly reduce the time and effort needed to maintain a clean and fresh shower. Now that we've looked at the product instructions, I'll share my experience. I grew up in a home watching my mom scrub the shower weekly with a product called Soft Scrub. Some of you may remember that product. Anyway, my husband's mom used Comet powder to clean her tubs and showers. I used to clean my tubs and showers like this too. I think both of these products worked great, but they do require time and elbow grease. Once I heard of the Wet It and Forget It shower spray, I had to try it out. I read reviews, I looked at before and after pictures. The users claimed you simply sprayed it on and rinsed it off after several hours. That's it. No scrubbing, no getting down on your hands and knees to clean, no effort, just spray and walk away. So I bought some. The product is around $19 to $20, which I thought was a bit expensive since most shower sprays are $5 to $6. But if it lived up to its claims, to me, it would be worth it. Here's my experience. I sprayed it on every shower and tub in my home. I usually clean in the morning hours after everyone has used the showers already. I let the product sit on the surface for 8 or more hours before anyone used the tubs and showers again. I just reminded everyone in the house to rinse them off before sitting down in the tubs. I was impressed. My showers and tubs looked amazing. No scrubbing, just spray and rinse. So I'm sold, which is why I'm sharing it with you. I love finding a product that works, and I certainly love cleaning shortcuts. My bottle of Wet It and Forget It shower spray lasts me 6 to 8 weeks. In my home, I have one standing shower, one whirlpool-sized bathtub, and one tub shower combo. This product gives off no odor so far as I can tell, so you don't need to worry about ventilation issues while you clean. Now let's look at my second favorite cleaning product shortcut. I use Zep mold and mildew stain eraser. Here are the preparations you need. Ensure the area is well ventilated. Open the windows or turn on fans to improve air circulation. You can wear protective gloves and eyewear to protect your skin and eyes. Remove any loose dirt or debris from the surface before you apply. Next, you'll want to shake the bottle before use. Spray the ZEP Mold and Mildew Stain Eraser directly onto the affected areas. Make sure to cover the mold and mildew stains thoroughly. Allow the product to sit on the surface for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the formula time to penetrate and break down the stains. After the waiting period, there is no need to scrub. You can just rinse the surface thoroughly with water to remove any residue. You can repeat the process if necessary for any stubborn stains. Once the area is clean, ensure it is dried properly to prevent future mold and mildew growth. And then, of course, maintain regular cleaning and ventilation to keep mold and mildew at bay. For best results, you'll want to test it in an inconspicuous area. Before using the product in a large or visible area, test it on a small hidden spot to ensure it doesn't cause any discoloration or damage. Avoid mixing it with other chemicals. Do not mix the ZEP Mold and Mildew Stain Eraser with any other cleaning products, as this can create more harmful fumes or reactions. And of course, there's regular maintenance. Keep the area dry and clean to prevent mold and mildew from returning. Regular cleaning and proper ventilation are key to maintaining a mold-free environment. By following these steps, you can effectively use ZEP Mold and Mildew Stain Eraser to tackle mold and mildew stains on your home. Now that we've covered the instructions, I'll share my experience using ZEP Mold and Mildew Stain Eraser. I use this product on my white shower curtains. These are prone to getting that gross pink and mold mildew, especially at the bottom hem of the shower curtain. I do not have any creases or caulk in my bathtubs where mold and mildew might collect, but this product could certainly handle those. Here's how I use it to clean my curtains. I used to remove the curtains and throw them in the washing machine with a little detergent and bleach. I noticed that they smelled clean, but they never got that bright white look they once had. So I decided to try the ZEP product. Once I start noticing any mold or mildew spots on my shower curtains, I would spray them down with this mildew remover. And wouldn't you know, it worked amazing. The hems and entire surface of my shower curtains are now bright white and clean once again. No rinsing, no scrubbing, and best of all, no having to take down my shower curtains and wash and rehang them. I would say the pros are that it's super easy to use. That's why I call it effortless. You just spray it on and walk away. The strongest con is that it has a strong odor, so I would recommend using this in a well-ventilated area. The way I use it is to spray it on and let it do its work while we're away for the day. That way we aren't breathing it in all day. My son's bathroom does not have windows, so I just turn on the fan to help it to draw out the scent. So there you have it, my complete review and cleaning shortcuts I use to keep my showers and tubs effortlessly sparkling clean. Let me know if you've tried these products and feel free to share your tips and experiences in the comments below.